We are tracking some severe weather, so it is a day to make sure that you are prepared, that you are safe, and even have our app because those alerts can come straight to your phone.
Yeah, Aaron, definitely a day to at least keep an eye on the weather as these storms roll on through. Things are actually pretty quiet now, but that's going to change a little later today. Here are the 3 big things you need to know. First round of storms is going to be in here around lunchtime. Now, I don't expect those storms to necessarily be severe, but they could be a little heavier. The stronger round of storms is going to come in later this evening, right around dinner time, and that round of storms poses a threat of some damaging winds. Now, radar outside right now is not showing us much. We've got some light showers over in eastern Arkansas, but most of the Memphis area is dry, although we do have storms starting to develop back in Arkansas. Those are the storms that are going to be moving here around lunchtime. Fog this morning is a concern off in northeastern Mississippi. Visibility down to 0 in Summerville and in Corinth. Low visibility also in Holly Springs and Oxford. So if you're traveling along Highway 72 up in North Mississippi, take it slow this morning. We've got some fog out there, but in Memphis, we are not seeing that fog here in the metro. Here's our rain chances for the next 24 hours, and you can clearly see those 2 rounds of storms we're expecting. One is going to come in right around lunchtime, some showers through the afternoon, and then a heavier round of storms just in time for the evening commute. I think it's going to be here in Memphis by around 5 or 6 p.m. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. This morning, not looking bad. But things are going to change as we go toward lunchtime. Here's 11 a.m. We've got storms developing down into the Mississippi Delta, and we will see rain with some thunder pretty much spread across the entire area by around lunchtime. Again, I don't expect these storms to be severe necessarily, but there could be some heavier rain in here around that time. We'll get a little break from the heaviest of the rain through the afternoon, but by 4 p.m., here comes round 2 of storms. This is the main round of storms that could be a little stronger. By 4 p.m., we'll have storms in eastern Arkansas. That line of storms is going to start to cross the river by about 6 p.m., and those storms could be heavy. So like I said, just in time for your evening commute in Memphis, we'll have that heavy rain move through. It'll be out of Memphis by 8 p.m., but still stormy over in Summerville, Holly Springs, and Oxford, and then over into northeastern Mississippi, Corinth, and into Selmer, Tennessee by about 9 p.m. All of that rain looks to move out of here by 11 p.m. tonight. Now, there is a risk for severe weather. It's a lower risk, but it's still a risk nonetheless. It's a level 2 out of 5. What this means is not every storm today is going to be severe. In fact, many storms will not be severe. They'll just be regular thunderstorms, but a couple of storms could be stronger. And for those storms that are stronger, here's what you can expect. Wind gusts in some storms up to 50 miles an hour, maybe some small hail. Flooding, definitely a concern. We're talking 1 to 2 inches of rain. That could cause some flooding on your streets, and a low risk of some brief spin-up tornadoes. I don't think that's a huge concern today, but a quick little spin-up tornado here or there can still cause some damage. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Again, highest chance for severe weather is going to be around dinner time tonight, so keep an eye on the weather around that time. Thursday and Friday looking better. Will be sunny and cooler, highs in the 50s. Saturday looking okay, but another round of rain Saturday night into Sunday. Monday will be dry before another round of rain comes in here on Tuesday. Luckily, we don't expect any chances for severe weather after today.